I think someone who balances both the clinical and the human sides of their job.
Same to same.
Same answer.
सर नहीं बोलिए कुछ.
No, he is an official spokesperson from our team.
From that doctor to this doctor.
जो ये बोले, doctor.
Yeah. Doctor's team, he is an official
See, he's a
spokesperson.
pro and doctor.
For next 3 days, he'll be our spokesperson.
As he said, as kids we all have played doctors.
Yeah.
Ivan had a wicked smile on his face.
I wanted to point out that about doctor. You guys know what that means, na, by the way.
Exactly.
You know doctor what it means.
To understand the anatomy.
There's
That's really young
There's a
age.
sexual connotation to
Of course.
that.
Really?
Who's talking?
I saw a variation on that where there's a scene with Prem Chopra is serving Amish Puri Sahab a drink. So he says, "Abhi aapko dua ki nahi daru ki zarurat."
Good one, yeah. That's so bad that it is good. Harleen, Aamir, Sharad, Viraf, Vivaan, thank you so much for joining us. First of all, given the title of it, I thought it would be really serious, but the kind of banter you guys are having, you had loads of fun, which is like evident. Only Vivaan, who's sitting right there in the corner like a kid who's just been yelled at. I don't know why. Why so? Why so quiet?
Was seriously? Yeah, but it's also a serious show, but it's also a fun show and with a lovely heart in it. So this thing, it's very thought-provoking. So hence I'm pensive.
Still in the character.
Pensive, yeah, exactly.
I think he's just not happy that he's seated so far from Harleen.
See?
Can we exchange the seats?
And again, spoiler alert in the show, not spoiler, I don't know if it's a spoiler, but my character in the show is in love with Harleen.
Clearly, you're not slipping out of your character, Vivaan. Thank you.
That's my Roro.
मुझसे दूर बैठा है इसलिए.
हाँ कुछ बता रहे थे मुझे विक्रोली के हॉस्पिटल में शूट किया हॉस्पिटल खाली था शुश्रूषा
नहीं, उसमें शुश्रूषा के एक पोर्शन में कुछ था ऑपरेशनल, बाकी एक पूरा सेक्शन जो नया बना था खाली.
really but that was operationally full functional full fledged
Okay,
hospital.
do you know that there's a trivia about that hospital that while we were
which
shooting,
is
that some of us believe that the hospital was haunted.
ये नहीं पता था.
ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था. I'm so glad मुझे नहीं पता था ये. Oh my God, I would have been so scared.
But this is a great example. Clearly goes to show that all this haunted business is all in the mind. Because the second we realized that it's haunted, then we started thinking, oh, it's haunted.
That's
Until
true.
then,
It's a thought.
ख्याल ही नहीं आता था.
बिल्कुल.
Because it's so brightly lit like McDonald's, वो spooky वाला feel.
Like McDonald's.
allow me to be cheesy मतलब given the chemistry you have and madness you guys were creating किसकी जरूरत उधर आए बाहुबली himself with that baritone of his कौन डेट भाई बताओ
भूतों को भगा देते हम.
and mercifully you did not turn anybody dead right in the show or otherwise
In the show we did. In the show, डॉक्टर्स का क्या बिजनेस होता है? या तो बच्चा पैदा हुआ है तो उसका अनाउंस करना, या कोई मरा है वो अनाउंस करना.
correct
No, I'm joking.
Harleen, what have you discovered about the profession therefore of doctors, of medical experts that you perhaps did not know before you did this show?
Apart from the number of years that they have to put in
Correct.
to learn all about the anatomy of the human body and the specifics of it, I think the emotional state in which they are, they have to put themselves and their lives at a back burner when they're in the hospital treating, looking at surgeons, looking at surgeries. Your personal life,
Goes for a toss?
I'm not sure if it goes for a toss, but especially with surgeons and stuff, कोई timing नहीं है, right? अगर कोई emergency है in the middle of the night also you're called. You have to be there, you have to do the surgery. So I think it's a very tough profession. The fact that you see so many deaths and you have to be like internally so strong to go through that, go tell their relatives and really try whatever you can to save their lives. It's so much responsibility.
Correct.
कितना focus चाहिए आपको, कितना मतलब I don't know, I feel like pilots, doctors, they're all responsible for so many people. So it's a scary profession actually.
I think it's the most responsible job in the world.
True.
They deserve a lot of respect, which they get, but they are lifesavers and they sacrifice a lot of things. Their personal life, for the profession and for people. Timings नहीं होते बहुत बार. Like हम अगर किसी doctor, if we need somebody, we call a doctor anytime whom we know. And they're always there most of the times. So yeah, everything suffers, but the kind of life they live is, they balance it off. Like I've said it earlier, I have doctor friends very close to me. and they balance it off really well. अपनी लाइफ दूसरों को सिगरेट पीना मना करते हैं, लेकिन they are so stressed, कोने में जाके खुद सिगरेट पी रहे होते हैं. I've seen my friends doing that. I tell them, डॉक्टर है तो बोलते यार मत पूछ what I've gone through today.
और हमने एक्चुअली इसकी रियलिटी हमारे शो में भी दिखाई है, बिकॉज एज डॉक्टर्स आप उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ में जा रहे हो और आप उनको सर्जरी में भी देख रहे हो और आउट ऑफ सर्जरी भी देख रहे हो. सो लॉट ऑफ द टाइम्स यू विल सी लॉकर रूम सीन्स एंड देन यू विल सी सीन्स वेयर you know we've performed all these surgeries and then just to de-stress we're all on the terrace.
Correct.
You know, maybe smoking, chatting with each other, just venting. So it's really interesting in the show. You get to see.
Gentlemen, more perspective.
I'd like to summarize in like the two things. One is there's a very interesting dialogue in the show. He says that यार मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, कोई मशीन नहीं, गलती मुझसे भी हो सकती है, आज की गलतियाँ तो मशीन भी करती. So understand his emotion to it. Other aspect of it, if you have ever thought that if you have a newborn baby, like I would ask him, if a newborn baby, there are only two places when you hand over your kid to someone else, either a god or a doctor, without asking or without questioning anything.
Correct.
So he's almost next to God, you know. So, you know, this particular aspect of doctors, people don't consider. Why do you give your baby, your own baby, newborn baby, to a doctor?
Correct.
Because there's a trust. There's so much with trust. There is so much of responsibility on a doctor, and we never think about his mind state. And we say, doctor छुट्टी क्यों ली? अरे यार, he can also fall sick. He also has a family. He can also have a. मतलब तुम डॉक्टर की छुट्टी कैसे ले रहे हो यार? मतलब this is a question we normally usually ask.
Yeah.
But उसका भी इशू हो सकता है, उसकी भी पर्सनल इशू हो सकता है. But still, keeping all that aside, I don't know my doctor. Any problem at 2:30 in the night or 3 o'clock, if I call him, he'll pick up the call and he'll give me some medication or some remedy to what is happening right now. So the responsibility and their personal life go hand in hand, you know, and it's
Massive.
to get to know from this show, we got to know about the other side of it.
The technical side.
Technical and basically the personal life, what emotions they go through, and you know, sometimes they can save, sometimes they can't. So what they go through.
एंड समटाइम्स उनसे भी गलतियां होती
वही बोल रहा हूँ,
है. जब वो सीख रहे होते हैं कितनी बार उनसे भी गलतियां होती है. सो
अंडरस्टैंड कि उनका वो टर्मोइल कितना बड़ा है यार उस डॉक्टर का, कि
True.
यार व्हेन दे सेव समवन दे आर हैप्पी, बट व्हेन अ लिविंग पर्सन इज डेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ देयर आईज, यार हम एक किसी को सोच भी ले, देख भी ले, हमारे हालत खराब हो जाती है हमारी. दे आर सीइंग मल्टीपल लाइव्स गोइंग इन अ डे, एंड व्हाट you know they're going through, all that is very difficult to imagine also.
Nicely
But
worded.
they've shown all that.
I'll come back to that. They have some perspectives to offer, both of them. Yeah.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
मैं भूल गया ना.
नहीं एक सवाल तुम्हारा कि what
एक so if I were
what
to
did you learn
discovered
from
about the profession?
Yeah.
Okay. So बचपन में हम, I think I can speak for a lot of us, सबने डॉक्टर कभी ना कभी किया. And at that time, it feels like the easiest thing to do. You put on a stethoscope or you pretend to do this to your friend. And this, your
light
तुम्हारे kidney में problem है, something.
Kidney में problem.
You know, wait. But that was child's play. But this show, actually, you had to play a doctor. And just when our workshopping was going on, when there were doctors like Dr. Agni and Janvi, there were doctors who were teaching us to look like doctors. Forget about doing surgery and all. Can you just inspect a patient? That was one of the tasks given to us. Like, go and say hello to the patient and ask them what they are going through or what is their
How you
problem.
feeling?
That was one of the first exercises. You remember that?
Yes, yes.
And we struggled because some of us are picking up the hand like this and don't know how to approach the patient, didn't know how to touch them. We had our own intimacy shows. Like, you know, like, can I hold her here? Can I touch her there? And you just take that for granted. But
Yes.
that's simple things like that. Like, how do you just approach another human being and say, how are you? वो क्या हो रहा है? कहाँ दर्द हो रहा है? क्या problem है? And then the doctor unleashes his skill. Just those beautiful, simple things were actually my takeaway. Because for the surgery and all that, the doctors were there to guide us. But in those scenes where you're just alone with the patient and the camera is watching every move you're making,
Nice.
and it's going to catch your false notes That was always my fear.
The normal conversations between the patient and a doctor, they are beautiful in this.
True.
So
He makes you feel comfortable immediately. Yes. Like whenever I take my mom to the couple of doctors whom I know, वो उसी वक्त उनको 10-20% तो उसी एक 30 seconds में take कर देता है.
Correct.
And then they check, and the way they check, and they're so positive because बताना भी नहीं है, chilled भी रहना है. The way they are.
Correct.
Is what he's
As he
talking about.
said, as kids we all have played doctors.
Yeah.
Ivan had a wicked smile on his face.
I wanted to point out that about doctor.
Doctor.
You guys know what that means, na, by the way.
Exactly.
You know doctor what it means.
To understand the anatomy.
There's
There's a fairly young
There's a
age.
sexual connotation to
Of course.
that.
Really?
Who's talking?
I know that.
No, but anyway, I want to say that Viraf bhai also
मैं तो खेला ही
has a
नहीं
very gentle, caressing
लड़के खेलेंगे.
voice.
Yeah.
So which
Boys
was
don't
when we
do
first
that.
doing that exercise,
Total police.
I think the first person to really find his character was Viraf bhai. Because he has that naturally gentle, caressing voice which so as soon as he started speaking the medical terminology or pretending to examine a patient, it sounded like the real deal.
Yeah.
It was like, damn, that's how we should sound almost.
Yeah.
Vivaan,
And he is very effortless as a doctor. I was just telling him that.
Then from playing,
आपका डॉक्टर नहीं मिला तो प्लीज कॉल.
from playing that doctor to real doctor, come on,
I
there
never
is a
played that
huge
doctor.
transition.
But I've actually,
There's a
No,
transition.
you must have played.
You
doctor.
are 100%.
Nahi.
He used to play only doctor.
He's so genuinely saying nahi
The
re.
way you played the doctor, I think you must have played doctor.
He was a patient, Dil ka Mareez, forever.
Nahi. Dil ka.
Who was the nurse?
But so the thing is, I think what I realized,
Change the
the big
topic.
realization I had while playing a doctor is that in every human being's life, when we're kids, when we're young, the formative experience that really shapes us is when you confront mortality for the first time. It could be the death of a pet or death of a loved one. But when you confront mortality, the first time a human being does that, that completely alters your reality and it changes your life. And that's your rite of passage. That's when you become an adult. Doctors deal with that on a daily basis. Just imagine उन पे क्या बीतती होगी जो हमारे साथ जिंदगी में एक बार होता है and which completely reshapes everything. It happens with doctors every day. So just as Harleen was saying, the emotional and mental bandwidth that they need to have, the strength and resilience that they need to have, emotional resilience, that is one of the big takeaways that one had playing a doctor.
So I'll come back to that, your answer. Facing that mortality issue, knowing that lives are given at stake and you are responsible as a doctor, it's a thin line between life and death. Also growing immune to that. So, keeping that sensibility, at the same time, growing mature to the factor of mortality. Now, that's a thin line to tread. How did you prepare for that, for this role?
Obviously, because, as it's been scripted, obviously, it's been written. So we know that at this point, this is going to happen. So mentally, you have to get into that zone that, intent-wise, this character is trying his best, but unfortunate things are happening with him. So it's a very mixed, but he has to be stern also because he is experienced. He has seen multiple mortalities. So he knows that is this going to happen. So the actor is more, I think, difficult to play that.
Correct.
As a human, it must be very used to thing. But as an actor, it's a difficult thing because we never experienced that. So to imagine that and then playing, it's a very tricky situation.
Correct. That's switch on, switch off.
Talking about that, trailer में एक scene है, and actually we have that scene in the first episode where, as a resident doctor, I see death for the first time, and it's my patient, somebody who I have taken care of, and you develop a bond with a patient as a resident doctor or someone who's interning, and he passes away, and he's a senior doctor, so he comes to me and he tells me, जो ट्रेलर में भी है लाइन कि ये मोमेंट डिसाइड करेगी कि आप कैसे डॉक्टर बनते हो.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो बहुत ही एक
ऐसा
ग्रे
जोन. As an actor also, na, you can be through, you can be stuck somewhere.
God, yes,
और वो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग था क्योंकि जब हम शूट कर रहे थे ये
You just do it that time. You don't know whether I'm doing the right way or not, but it's just the inner feel what you show on camera, or you just do it.
What was interesting is I didn't know how to perform that scene. As an actor,
That worked.
मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया कि मैं
That's the best thing which
react
comes
करूं.
spontaneous.
She must have been vulnerable.
शरद ने
Therefore, the
बताया होगा
spontaneity.
तुम्हें.
Simple as that.
शरद ने बोला लिस्ट ले ले चल कर चुपचाप.
Quickly then, from all of you. Therefore, who is a good doctor? What is a definition of a good doctor?
Yep.
I think someone who balances both the clinical and the human sides of their job.
Same to same.
Same answer.
Sir, नहीं बोलिए कुछ.
नहीं, he's an official spokesperson from our team.
ये हमारा
From that doctor to this doctor.
जो ये बोले
Official
doctor.
Yeah. Doctor's team, he's an official
See, he's a
spokesperson.
pro in doctor.
For next 3 days, he'll be our spokesperson. You are busy from morning 9 to evening 10 o'clock. You are hired for that. Okay.
All right then conclude with this one. Bad doctor in Hindi cinema. One should never become.
Oh, we were
You're not
talking
the official.
Dr. Dan.
Dr. Dan. Dr. Frankenstein. No, I'll tell you what we were talking about that dawa. Abhi aapko dawa ki nahi dua ki zarurat. Recently, I saw a variation on that where the scene with Prem Chopra is serving Amish Puri Sahab a drink. So he says, abhi aapko dua ki nahi daru ki zarurat.
Good one, yeah. That's so bad that it is good. That's so bad that it is good. Viraf.
I think the most unlike doctor I've seen in Hindi cinema came to me in the movie Animal. And there's this very angry doctor. For some reason, I don't know why the doctor was angry and in a very foul mood and is very angry at Ranbir Kapoor's family who are surrounding his bed. And she's
Father.
And she's just barking at them like a Pomeranian who's not been fed. I mean, but maybe that choice was made to captivate the audience or what, I don't know. And the movie's done well, so it's obviously no one. But when that doctor scene came, it sort of threw me back because it was the antithesis of everything that we've done in this show. And that's my vote for the
Bad
most
doctor.
unlike doctor I've seen.
And he also quizzes now how many times you have sex in a week.
And all. But that's a different scene.
बस तुझे वो याद है.
I'm talking about
doctor से शुरुआत की इन्होंने मैं कैसे
All
बोलूँगा
because of you, doctor.
so, but this is the scene where the doctor come. First time you see the doctor in the hospital with the family, and I was like, wow, that's an angry doctor. And I remember telling that to my friend who I was watching the movie with. So yeah, Sandeep Rendi Vaga, I have no issues with what you are trying to do. I was just making a point.
नहीं बोलने के बाद कुछ नहीं हो गया खत्म.
Sharad, that one doctor you would never.
I would say about doctors, the cliche doctors, there's one pathologist I remember, the film Gambler, if you've seen it.
तो good.
आदित्य पंचोली को बता मैंने ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स बदल दिए इसको कैंसर नहीं उसको कैंसर है.
Aamir, for you, that nightmarish doctor would be
Dr. Dan.
कुछ किस्सा.
थप्पड़ क्या था ऑनलाइन?
इस थप्पड़ की गूंज तो है.
इस थप्पड़ की गूंज तुम्हें सुनाई देगी.
Harleen, for you?
मतलब मेरी मेमोरी इतनी ग्रेट नहीं है with things, but the last thing I watched was Kabir Singh. And then the way he becomes as a doctor, right? दारू पी के आ रहा है ऑपरेशन थिएटर में.
मुझे याद ही नहीं था डॉक्टर था उसमें.
ड्रग्स मार के आ रहा है.
Looks like we both are influenced by Sandeep Reddy Vanga's work.
We are, oh yeah, we are.
He apologized
Sir, I love
already,
you. I love you.
No, that is.
I hope you never become that doctor. I'm glad the kind of doctor that you have played is really
आज
good.
मैंने इनके उसमें आईवी में जहर का इंजेक्शन डाल दिया. That's a bad doctor.
डॉक्टर डैन ने बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट कर दिया है.
So, thank you so much for this
Thank you so much.
funny conversation.
Thank you,
for
Pratmesh.
taking me back to my Dr. days.
Oh.